the work that you guys have done, the support you've had, and the focus that we've all had in keeping together as a country means that we were able to stand strong, stand up for Canada, and make sure we got the right deal for Canada on the USMCA.
This is a great thing for the community, and hopefully we can sustain production here for 100 more years.
Our motto is our family of one, right? And it's really evident at Windsor Assembly. It's a very competitive place. It's a great place to grow and be a family together.
You know, one of the things that works well about politics is we do lean on each other, listen to each other. We're all focused on the same kinds of things, figuring out what's going to work for communities right across the country and what's going to work for Canada.
It's a community thing, you know, the atmosphere. I've been here about 15 years, and I was born and raised in Windsor, and you know, this is a staple in the community.
And it's provided, you know, for the people of Windsor, Essex County.
We know, yes, we're facing big challenges, but Canadians have overcome great challenges in the past, and we will continue to do it as long as we do what you know best in Windsor, which is roll up your sleeves, work hard, and stick together. So thank you very much for being